Well, hello and welcome. If you are just joining me, we are learning 25 pieces, a new piece every day for the first 25 days of December. Now, if you have been following along with me, we have learned 11 pieces so far. So today we're going to find out which piece we're going to be learning for the 12th of December. So let's find out. Oh, I think I hear some jingle bells. Does that give you a hint? We're going to be learning jingle bells for the 12th of December. So before we go any further, I would like to introduce myself. I am Monta Monique, founder and creator of Move Over Mozart, the only place where you can learn music how you want, where you want, and when you want. So this is my little happy holidays gift from my family at Move Over Mozart to yours. Now, this is a little bit of a holiday challenge, but don't worry, all the pieces I've created are for beginners or new beginners with a little bit of experience. Now, don't forget to download the free music I've created just for you. Go download it now so you can play along with me. Now, some of the pieces that we're learning, some of them may be familiar to you and some might be new to you. But if you want to learn each piece in detail, there is a lesson on each piece, and this is how we learn each of the pieces. First, we practice our right hand alone, and then we practice our left hand. And after that, we put our hands together. And if you have any questions, you can always DM me, you can leave a comment down below, and I will get back to you. Now, because we are learning 25 pieces in 25 days, I suggest you click the notification bell because I promise you won't want to miss a lesson. And also subscribe because there are wonderful tips and tricks all about music just for you. You can also find me over at Instagram at #MoveOverMozart. So if you're ready, let's start making some beautiful holiday music together. And now for a fun piece I'm sure everybody will love.